Today's video is all about this little thing. This tiny speaker is claimed to be IP67 waterproof, floats on water, drop proof, works as a power bank, 24 hours playtime, speakerphone and 2100 milliamps batteries. So in a nutshell, this is a perfect companion multi-function speaker that can work as emergency batteries, waterproof, drop-proof, shock-proof, listen to music all day long, and can work as emergency weapon in case of emergency. So in this video, I'm going to test and review how far this little thing can go, which is advertised, which I reckon is too good to be true. We'll see this in the next second. From the design perspective, this speaker is made from a strong, durable plastic with a built-in kickstand that can use as a belt clip holder, and you can hang it into any small rod or a tree. With the size of a smartphone, this speaker also comes with 7 multiple color options. This also comes with audio input, a USB charging port, and which is I reckon is handy to charge any device, which I can test up to 80% of my Samsung Galaxy S8. This also comes with this cool battery indicator panel with the lights on it to check how much battery left in your speaker. The Bluetooth connectivity also works like a charm every time you turn it on. It will auto-connect automatically with your phone. The downside is the Bluetooth coverage for me is rather weak. So if you live in a maze of multiple rooms, you'll find your music will cut out once in a while because of the barrier between the Bluetooth connectivity. The sound quality I found, this Braven 405 is pretty amazing, even with the lack of bass due to the size of this. But with this amazing 2 dual speaker system inside, even the body itself cannot handle it. So what about waterproof? What does this IP67 mean? This means this speaker can last up to an hour in a 1 meter deep underwater. Is this true? So it's time to test this.
I'm talking about
So the conclusion, from my perspective, this is a very good speaker because it really shows, as it's advertised, I play in the water for at least more than an hour. It's strong, portable, lightweight, and check all the checklists necessary that require in a small portable Bluetooth speaker. With the price of $129.95, I reckon this speaker is one of the best options you can find on the market for all the function necessary. So that's it guys, everything the review about this little tiny thing, Braven 405. And also if you have any experience with Braven 405, please let me know. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll put a link on the description if you're looking for Braven 405. This comes with 7 different colors. We'll see you in the next video.